I finally upgraded to a larger toolbox. So I ended up going with the US General Series 3. This is a 56-inch roll cabinet and top chest. And the reason I chose the Harbor Freight box was that it's somewhat modular and it's relatively decent price when you combine it with the 15% off coupon. And they offer that coupon like frequently throughout the year. You just got to keep your eye out for it. The plan is to add the end cabinet, so to the left side and to the right side. And I'll probably do that once I upgrade to either a larger garage or shop. And so those end cabinets, they'll just bolt up to the side and they'll basically turn all four separate components into just one large rolling tool storage solution. So I'll say if you're looking into these boxes, just keep in mind when you're unloading and setting this thing up, these things are heavy and you're likely going to want somebody to help you. Overall, I am very pleased with the purchase, and time will tell how well it holds up in the long run. Let's take a look at this box. I've had it for a few weeks now. I've had time to throw a lot of my tools in here. So let's go through and see how I've got things. Right now, the top drawer, I've just got a few things laying in here. So some of my Milwaukee batteries, a couple of the tools, and some random stuff. Not where the stuff will probably live, but where it is for now. Top drawer, got nothing up here. I've still got plenty of room for expansion in here. Got a lot of tools, but this has got a lot of room for tools. This one, it's gonna be all my measuring stuff. It's missing a few tools right now. I did go out and do some work and took some things with me. This drawer is gonna be, or is, the screwdriver drawer. Right now, just got everything laying in here. The plan is to organize this up a little bit. Flathead on the left, Phillips on the right. This drawer is kind of a random drawer. I've got some big things in here. This is a tap and die set for large diameter threads. Just got some gloves thrown in here. This is going to be all my Allen sets. The drawer is way too big for what I have. This is my shame drawer. Everybody has one. Just got a bunch of random stuff thrown in there. All this stuff is air tools. I don't use a whole lot of air tools, but what I've got in here, a couple of impact wrenches, stapler, gauges, random fittings. So the top drawer of the bottom chest, I'm much more proud of this drawer than a lot of the others. It's all my sockets, extensions, ratchets, torque wrenches. And when I made this drawer, at first I had everything just kind of thrown in here and it looked like a mess. But what I did was I have a 3D printer at home. So I used that to print some custom trays for all of the sockets. Everything in this drawer pretty much has a home. Ratchets, large 3/4 torque wrench, all my sockets. This drawer, it's obviously got my wrenches and my pliers. So same thing here. I had stuff laid out before. I printed some organizers for all the wrenches. These are some of the extras here. So it's modular. So you can add to it, take away from it as you expand your tool inventory. This drawer is where I've got my striking tools, pry tools, chisels, punches. In my electrical drawer. This isn't all my electrical stuff, but it's the main things I use when I'm diagnosing stuff. Random drawer. And so I've got a lot of my big items in here, stuff that I keep in boxes. I'm a little OCD when it comes to keeping boxes, but there that stuff is. I also utilize this one the same way. So I've got big stuff in there. Now, when they market these toolboxes, that drawer right here is marketed as being for like your power tools. They've got a little insert that you can buy, and it sits in here, and you can sit maybe 4 or 5 power tools in there. For me, that was kind of a waste of space, so I didn't bother. And this drawer is supposed to be your charging drawer. It's already got a power strip in there on the side. I'm not utilizing it for that because I charge stuff elsewhere. But I've got my impact wrenches in here and a few other things. So that's pretty much it. The plan, like I said, was to eventually add this side cabinet right here. I'll probably keep some of my solvents, brake clean, carburetor cleaner, some paints, who knows. A few other things, funnels maybe. So like I said, that's how I have it set up so far. Still got a bunch of things that I need to do. Print some more organizers, make it look a little bit a little neater, easier for me to find things.